In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cfb. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, we can open this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Then once a blank window would be opened, you need to wait until you'd be able to successfully clear the Microsoft Store cache. Once done, check if the error has been fixed, okay? But if not, let's move on to the next solution, and that is you need to run for some CMD commands. Navigate at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Then once you have seen a command prompt system, navigate at the right side and click on Run as Administrator. So from here, please copy and paste this command one by one. Okay, Control C, then paste it here, and then Control C again. Once you have done with the restoring the health for your PC, do the SFC scan, paste it here, and then click on the Enter key and wait until this procedure would be finished. Okay, and once you have completed the procedure here, restart your computer and you're good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.